We have here a question on quadratics. Given that the equation 4x squared minus 8x plus 1 equals 0 has roots alpha and beta, then we are asked to find the value of 1 all over alpha plus 1 all over beta. Is it 8, 2, negative 8, or a half? Okay, so let's go straight into the solution. Our quadratic equation is given as 4x squared minus 8x plus 1 equals 0. Okay. If we compare this with the standard form of the quadratic expression or equation, if we compare this with the standard form of the quadratic equation, we'll see that our A is 4, our B is negative 8, our C is 1. Our A is 4, our B is negative 8, and our C is 1. Okay? Now, we know the characteristics of the roots of any quadratic equation. We know that sum of the root is given as negative D all over A. And so, if we look at this, we'll see that our negative B, look at it, will be negative into negative 8 all over A. And so that gives us negative is positive. It gives us 8 all over 4, which is 2. That is our sum of roots, 2. Product of roots is given as C all over A. Our C is 1, our A is 4. So we have 1 quarter. Alright? So this simply means that what? Sum of roots, which is 2, we can write it as thus sum of roots. The roots are alpha and beta. We can write it as alpha plus beta should give us 2. And product of root, it should be alpha multiplied to beta. Alpha multiplied to beta, we found it to be 1 quarter. These are the two key information that we need in order to evaluate this expression and bring out the answer from A, B, C, D. Now let's take that expression. 1 all over 1 all over alpha plus 1 all over beta should give us the LCM of alpha beta is just their product. So that alpha beta divided by alpha is beta multiplied to 1. We have beta plus alpha beta divided by beta is alpha multiplied by 1 gives us alpha. This now, if you look at the numerator, it is the sum alpha plus beta, and the denominator is simply the product alpha beta. And so this gives us the expression alpha plus beta, which is 2, divided by the product, which is 1 quarter. This should be what? We can write it as 2 divided by 1 quarter as such. 2 can also be written as a fraction. So we maintain the first fraction, change this to multiplication and invert that other one. And so our answer is simply 2 times 4, which is 8. And therefore, the right answer is the letter A. The letter A.